This is Aya 1000RR. Not only is that the bike she rides, but it's also the name of her band. Now what's she gonna do if she gets tired of those wheels? What if she starts riding a Kawasaki or a Suzuki? Aya Hayabusa? What impresses me most right out of the gates though, is how tiny she is, and she's on that big bike. She's literally 97 pounds dry, and her ride is 460 wet, like a jockey on a racehorse that's about to be hit by a Jeep. Guys, don't ever underestimate a girl's need for speed. Obviously, size does matter. Aya lives in Osaka, but comes to Tokyo often for gigs. Her bike stays in Tokyo, so we decided to kick it out of town for the day and head to the mountains of Chichibu. Just a couple of hours out of Tokyo affords some beautiful scenery, great riding, fresh air, and a really tasty restaurant that caters to bikers. We'll be there shortly. But the first stop is a rest area for some souvenirs. When you come to a Japanese service area, you have to get omiyage, right?
Omiyage, yeah.
So what do you recommend?
Recommend?
What's this?
It's on senbei.
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 Okay. Ooh, what's the flavor?
It's clam.
Ooh, clam flavored.
It's my recommendation.
That's your recommendation. They've got Kit Kats too. A Japanese souvenir shopping spree wouldn't be complete without the ubiquitous weird Kit Kat offerings.
Tome.
And what's this one? Apple, ringo,
Apple, yeah.
and ooh,
Wasabi. You guys know wasabi?
they know wasabi. This one is, what's this one?
Uji hojicha. Hojicha is kind of Japanese tea.
Japanese tea.
Yes.
And this one, oh, that's easy. That's
Uji
matcha.
matcha.
Nice.
Murasaki imo. Murasaki means purple.
Ooh, this one looks good too. Look at that. Azuki sandwich flavor.
Sandwich.
What's azuki? Azuki is
Azuki.
like red beans, right?
Red beet, yes. And
Pass.
maybe.
All right, so you choose which one you want to get. We'll get one.
I love strawberry, so yeah.
But that wasabi one, let's do it. Which one are you gonna try?
I wanna try them all.
You wanna try the strawberry? Okay, I'll go with the wasabi. 3, 2, 1, bite.
So good.
It really does. Honestly, wasabi aji.
Wasabi.
It has wasabi taste.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Do you taste the wasabi? Back on track. We're getting close to Chichibu. 11 clicks to the twisties. And there's no shortage of tunnels on the way. But where there's tunnels, there's mountains. And where there's mountains, there's some pretty awesome riding. All right, we made it to our lunch stop, and the riding here in Chichibu is awesome. How do you say awesome in Japanese?
Psycho.
Psycho. Psycho.
Psycho.
Not Norman Bates psycho. Here's the entrance. You can get like a lunchbox to go here, and here's what they look like. One with a fancy
Kamen
racing
Rider.
stripe. Kamen Rider?
Kamen Rider type.
Okay. This is really cool. It's like a little gas tank.
豚唐揚げ弁当。
Wow, that looks delicious. Can you eat all of that?
Oh,
It's heavy. How is it? Tell us about your music. Aya-sen RR.
日本語ではあやせん WR。
Okay.
My music is rock music, kind of rock music. Yes. I sing about motorcycle.
So I saw one of your guitars is shaped like a motorcycle.
Motorcycle shape. Yes. It's made by ESP. I'm an ESP artist supported by ESP.
Oh, so you have an ESP sponsor.
Yes, yes.
あ、すごい。 After devouring these awesome eats at Bike Bento, it's back to the road. Our next stop is the beautiful MITSUMINE Shrine, tucked into the forest of Chichibu. A bunch of guys on bikes, and only one girl, and there she is.
Hey Charlie, we got another one. All right, you gonna pay for both of you? Thank God. Okay, how about 620 yen?
Take it easy, Hiroshi.
Try some looser jeans next time, hot rod. Can you kick it in the ass a bit there, son? I've got some curry getting cold in here. Jesus, finally. All right, here you are, douchebag. Catch you later, Toots.
PATRON.
But we can't see you. So where are we? What's the name of this shrine?
MITSUMINE Shrine.
It's a special shrine. You can pray for motorcycle safety, Janai.
多分それもある。
Okay. I think we found it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. Nice. And it has these scary dog guardians. We've made it. After a 15-minute walk, we've made it. Look at that. She's gonna wash up. Before you enter a shrine, you have to wash your hands. First the left, then the right. Then you put some in your hand, and you drink it. Oh, gross. And then you wash the ladle.
That's all.
Well done. And now we have to go and pray. So it's important to use a coin with a hole in it. This is an omamori, kind of like a good luck charm, and it's one in particular is for traffic safety. So I think I'm gonna get this one.
Good idea. Yeah.
Okay, this is a power spot. So usually the oldest tree at the shrine is revered, and you can touch it. Can I hug it? Hug it in. You feel the energy. Well, a big thanks to Aya-sen for today's ride. It has been a lot of fun. Thank you so much
Thank you so much.
for taking me to Chichibu. And be sure and check out Aya's YouTube channel. The link is in the description. And you can download her music at
iTunes, Amazon Music, Spotify.
and Spotify. Yeah, so be sure and check out her music.
Oh,
So, yes. Yes, you have something for me?
woohoo, yeah.
Oh,
It's my album.
wow, sugoi. Let me get a close up of
Yeah.
that. Hold still. Speed things
Keep
up.
things up.
Cool.
ticket for you.
Thank you so much. I'm going to be playing this later. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, can I ride with you again someday?
Okay, of course. Yeah.
Arigato.
Let's
Thank
go.
you. Coming up next on the PETER VON GOMM Japan channel, I got a Ural sidecar for the day and raised the roof off Tokyo. Thanks for riding along, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss out. Follow me on Instagram while you're at it. Ride carefully, and I'll do the same. See ya. Psycho. Awesome.
Well, Charlie, may as well subscribe to this douchebag's channel. Got nothing else going on.